It has always been on the shelf, but if you're someone who's wondering, like, this cream, what about it? What is it about it? You don't really know what to use it for, or how to use it, or what it does. This video is for you. Back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video like this. I'm so sorry I haven't been here in a while. I am really working on posting more and all of that. It's just there's a lot going on at the moment. But yeah, if I don't do this today, I don't know when I'll be able to do it. So I'm trying to make as much videos as possible so I can post for you guys. Okay. My Christmas giveaways are still up and running. I might reduce the amount of days because I'm not able to keep up. But just look out for my videos to see how you can win yourself any of those products. Okay. So without further talking, let's get right into this video. As the thumbnail will say, I'll be talking about the Arbutin Collagen lotion. I'm going to be talking about these two products together. Okay. But first, let's talk about Arbutin. Arbutin is an active ingredient that is used in skin lightening and hyperpigmentation. They use it a lot in face creams. They use it a lot in serums. They use it in so many things, lotions, creams that are for lightening, brightening. It's said to be the alternative to hydroquinone. However, it's not as fast as hydroquinone, but it's the safer option to using hydroquinone. So if you're someone who's patient, or you just want to get rid of one particular scar, it's not that big of a deal. You can get this. You can get alpha butane for yourself. We use it in formation of creams. Like I said earlier on, they use in formation of creams. Okay, so this is a Thailand product, and as we all know, Thailand products are very good, but they are not like fast action products like our cotonou creams and the rest of that. So you have to also give them time to work. Okay, but um, it's effective. It's still very effective. Thailand US products are very good for the skin. They are not all these fast action creams that will damage your skin in the long run. Sorry, I was having camera issues. So, as I was saying, they are very um, good and effective products. Thailand US products are very gradual, very mild on the skin, but still give great results. So, they are you have to be very patient with them, but they are very good. They are very, very good. They are not going to give you knuckles and uneven skin tone in that beat to like sharp discoloration, all of that. So, be patient with them. Okay, so this is the Alpha Butane product. It actually won the bestseller. So it's a trusted brand. If you're familiar with the Alpha Butane serum, use it in creams, face creams, body creams. This is the Alpha Butane 3 Plus. They also have the powder, the capsules, is in little capsules powder. Then they have the smaller bottles. I'll post it because to me that one is cheating. One of that bottle is about 1.5 and this is 3,000. So when I put picture, you see the difference between the two. Okay. So this is the Alpha Butane 3 Plus lotion. This is how it is. Okay. Now this product is becoming very, very common. It's fast rising. It's sold a lot. It's sold around a lot. It has always been on the shelf, but if you're someone who's wondering, like, this cream, what about it? What is it about it? You don't really know what to use it for, or how to use it, or what it does. This video is for you. Okay, so I like this product because it contains collagen, and collagen, we all know, is that it's very important. As you age, you want to have more collagen. That's what it has to do with your skin elasticity, keep your skin firm, and keep wrinkles and shrinking of your skin away. We're all getting older, and our skin is not going to remain the same forever. Okay, so it's the Alpha Butane 3 Plus collagen lotion. It says deep white essence with 3 times alpha arbutin. I think that's just a marketing strategy. Alpha arbutin has a recommended percentage, so you can't use any more of that. It's written in Thailand language, but I'll read what ingredients are. It says aqua, mineral oil, niacinamide, glycerin, stearic acid, ethyl alcohol, polysorbate. All these are things that are used to make your base creams, nothing new. Phenoxyethanol is a preservative. So the alpha arbutin, shea butter, hydrolyzed collagen, perfume, methylparaben, carboma, which is our thickener, triethanolamine, xanthagon, which is another thickener, and that is actually all there is on the packaging of this product. It doesn't say more than that. Like the way Wink White works and Dr. James works, that is how this product will work. It's very mild. This is 500 ml. See, 500 ml. There's nothing else. Okay. This product is very good for bases. If you want to mix lightening cream, whitening creams, caramel lotion creams, this is a great base. Okay, it needs something to activate it. You can also use this as a maintenance cream. A lot of people always ask me, oh, what can I use for maintenance? Oh, what can I use for maintenance? What can I use for maintenance? You can use this for maintenance. Okay, the alpha arbutin there is, it doesn't say the percentage, but I'm sure it's a reasonable amount of alpha arbutin in it. You can use this as a maintenance cream. Please still use your sunscreen while using this product. As you can see, it's sealed. So let me open and so it's a pump. I like pump. It's my sister. I like pump bottles. So open. The consistency is very, I like this. It's milky. Like I said, it's like the Dr. James. See, that's nice fragrance too. Okay, so from the consistency, I can tell you, if you're someone who has dry skin, you need to actually add oils to this because it absorbs immediately into your hand. It leaves no moisturizing properties after. It's just absorbs straight in, no oil, nothing. It's just there. So if you're someone that has dry skin, you want to add some oils to this. If someone that has an oily skin, this will work good for you. Someone that sweats a lot when you use creams, this will work for you. Okay. Alright, so that is it for that. It goes for between 3,500 to 4,500, maybe 3,000. Just be careful so you don't buy the fake, because now that a lot of people are knowing about it, fake is becoming much. Fake, yes, of this cream is becoming much. So buy from a trusted brand. How to activate this cream now? If you want to maintain your complexion, it's okay to use this alone. Now, if you now want to mix it for lightening, brightening, caramel, all of that, then you have to activate it. And how do you activate this? It comes with there's a smaller serum that comes with it. Now you take half a bottle of this, half a bottle of, that's 250 ml. You're going to take one of that, what's it called? The serum. Yes, you're going to take one of that and use for this one. Then if you're like me and you have this, you're going to take 3 tablespoons of this, 200 ml of this cream. Don't mix all of them at a go. Take a portion of this, 3 tablespoons of this, and add to this. So 3 tablespoons is about I think it's about 15 mil. So it's about 45 mil. You add to this. Okay. So if you have that small, either 2 or 3 tablespoons is fine. If you have that other small bottle, one of that to 250 ml of this cream is going to be okay for you. Then for your anti-reaction of some sorts, you use either use the Farmadem tube or you use the Ski Gut tube. I've used that in one of my videos. I'll also put a picture so you guys can see. Use the Ski Gut tube. Don't use the whole tube. Just take how many ml? This is about 30 grams. It's 30 ml. So just take 1 tablespoon of this and apply in your formulation. That's your 200 ml to help fight with any reaction. Then for someone that has dry skin, you want to put in oil. I would say go for bio oil or go for beauty series oil, something that's going to bring back moisture to this product. Okay, but overall, it's a very good cream for maintenance. It's a very, very good lotion generally, and it's actually making buzz in the skincare industry. So before people start duplicating it, go grab yours. It's a formulator, pro mixing. This is a good base cream. All right. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.